Welcome to Kajal Coding World, Class 1 Introduction to C Programming Language. C programming language. It is a procedural programming language. It is developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at AT&T Bell's laboratory. C is a general purpose programming language. Its approach is top to bottom. It is widely used language. It is used to develop applications and software. C is the mother of all other languages. Importance of C language. It is beginner's language and easy to understand. It is the mother of all languages like C++, Java, Python, etc. So when you know C language, others are easy to learn. C language supports low-level programming. Many compilers, operating system drivers, etc. are made using C language. C language is the fastest language and its speed is almost as fast as the assembly language. Many institutions prefer C as the most valuable language. Most of the functions were originally built in C, while the Unix operating system was built. However, over time C has improved its library to accommodate many new features which are seen in modern programming languages. So now what is the applications of C language? To develop the system software like operating system and compilers, to develop common utility and application software like database and spreadsheet, to develop graphics related application like computer and mobile games, painting and drawing software, to evaluate any kind of mathematical equation we use C language, to develop Unix kernel, to design network devices and to develop embedded software. These are the applications of C language. Now C is a high level programming language. What is high level language? A high level language is one which we human can understand. It contains words and phrases from the English language. Computer can't understand high level language, it understands only machine language, that is binary 0 and 1. Now what is source code? Program written in high level language is known as source code. And what is machine language? That is binary form 0 and 1. Now we have compilers and interpreters. What is compiler? Compiler is used to convert the source code into machine code. Compiler converts complete program at once. Interpreter is also used to convert the source code into machine code. Interpreter converts the program line by line. If any error in the line, you cannot move to next line. You have to remove the error to move to the next line. Now IDE. IDE is Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment is used to practice the programming. Basically, IDE is an application where we practice our code. An IDE is a software suite that consolidates the basic tools that developer needs to write and test software. IDE contains code editor, compiler, and debugger. What is code editor? Code editor is a text editor designed for writing source code. Compiler transforms the source code written in human readable language into a form executable by a computer. What is debugger? Debugger is used during testing to help debug application programs. Popular IDEs like Eclipse, CodeBlocks, NetBeans, C++ Builder, Dev C++, and Turbo C++. So thank you. That is all about today's class. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.